Hello, Donna.
Here we are on a beautiful summer day in June at the Montage. Getting close to Sherrie's birthday. Day after tomorrow. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, dear Sherrie. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Okay, we're panning.
We're having fun.
Cool.
Oh my God, you got a bee on your shoulder. Just keep filming. Oh my God, it's going on your neck. Shit. There. Oh.
Why do these things happen to me when I'm filming? How could this be? How could this be?
A great big giant
How
bee
could
on
this
your
be?
neck. You should have taken the camera and filmed it.
How could this be?
Okay.
Okay, here we are. We're coming back for more, Donna. Now say something really incredible in 2013.
Happy gorgeous Saturday.
Yes.
Ta-ta. Can't stop filming. Don't make it too long. I have to go on YouTube.
Okay.
Did you hit it?